You know spring's nearly here when it's time to pressure washer the path and the patio. So the chicks have been promoted to the shed. And they're in here. Nice and cosy, getting fat. All 20, all still going strong. But I'm just going to knock out their light for half an hour whilst I do some cleaning, because they've got the longest extension lead. Come down here. See there? It's called the nut. So I need you to find one of these that fits on top of there, nice and tight. Okay. Not the square end. The square end is what goes onto the tool. It's one of the star shape. Try that. Too small?
Too small.
Keep going, then try one in the middle, and then you can go smaller or bigger. Pick one of the middle ones.
That one might be perfect.
Try the star bit then. Turn it. No, does it turn?
No.
So I feel it's a bit loose. Try the next one down. One smaller. Is that a good fit?
Yeah.
Nice. Now you need to get the tool. Put that square bit in there.
Go.
Okay, go.
It is.
Good. Tell me when that nut comes off. Okay, got one wheel off. Okay, now use that. Come down in here. Stick it, wedge it between the green and the black. That's it. Good. Pull that black one out as well. That's it. Good. Point it down. Good.
Spider in it.
Can you remember which side was turning? One wheel worked and one wheel didn't. Can you remember which one?
That one worked, that one didn't.
Good, so it's our left one. Get rid of the cobwebs. Ah, do you think that might be why it's not working?
Yeah.
It's fallen off. So we might not even need to put the new motor on. Can you see these are a bit loose?
Yeah.
So that's fallen off. So we need to give that a little pinch. Squeeze. That's enough.
What are you doing there, Daddy?
I'm just fixing the motor.
I can't see.
You can look down here. One wheel was turning and one wasn't it? See, that one's a bit loose as well. Give that one a little pinch.
Pinch.
All you need to do is just lean in, use your hand on the pedal.
But
Can you push the pedal with your hand? Or foot? Is it working? No?
I think don't press it. Don't put it up. Put it up, babe.
Can you make sure you're in gear? Good. That one's turning. I think the battery's just flat. I think your battery's flat. I'll go and change your battery. It's not a new battery, it's just probably a bit more charged. But what we can do is test how charged it is on here, because you're good with numbers, aren't you? Don't touch it yet. You're going to be black. You only do this when I'm with you, okay? So we're going to check how many volts. A bit like a pen. You put your black one in there.
Yeah.
Now, hold them still.
1.
Tell me what number's on here.
1, 2, 5.
Can you see the dot there?
1.
So what's that? What number's that?
What? 12.
12. Point. That
4.
dot means 0.4. So it means it is not that well charged, but that should be enough for you to have a little drive, okay? It's not a pen, it's just a wire. So by putting that on here and that on there, makes a loop, goes through here, and it tells this how much power is in there, yeah? And 12 isn't that good. It needs to be about 13, 13 and a half. But it should be good.
12, 13. Just one more.
It's just one more. Just one more. Clean this chapter. So you always must get these on the right ones.
I got some tools. This goes around my waist, and there's lots of things in it. And I got an overall from Daddy. Oh, this isn't from Daddy. This is from Uncle Ali and Uncle Martina. Daddy got
Auntie
me a
Martina.
sword, a hammer. I've got 2 hammers now, and I've got this.
What's that?
I've got a screwdriver here. Goes very nice. I've got these glasses to keep your eyes safe. This is a sex square, and it's gonna make. And I got that for my birthday. All from this, I got it for my birthday. Some goggles that look very, very nice. A measure, a number line.
A ruler.
A ruler. This is a squeezer, a clip. Got this big heavy hammer. I can hit stuff with it.
Not a toy.
We've got a measure.
Come back and put this tractor back together now. Okay, can you do it then? That's it, and then back again. Foot down. Good, okay, stop. We are back in action.
You fix the tractor. Maybe do it yourself.